The world is drowning in data, and people need to analyze it. And so those people, or data analysts, are in huge demand today and are going to continue to be in huge demand. The D.A.A.S program is our Data Analysis and AI Specialist program. And we brought it to allow people to fast track their way into this ever-changing field of data analysis. It's one of the hottest fields out there, and you don't need a 4-year degree to get into it, you just need the right training. You don't have to be at a certain point in your life. If you're fresh out of high school or if you're pivoting mid-career, you're more than welcome to do it. The main trait is you have to have a keen sense of curiosity. You have to want to find the solution to a problem. If you like murder mysteries, you're going to love data science. You also have to not be afraid of technology and how we can apply statistics to solve problems. And we guide you the rest of the way. Our program is modular. You progress from one level to the next, from easy topics like ethics and SQL and Python programming and statistics to all the way to visualization and complex analysis and predictive analytics using machine learning. Well, there are many. The most common one would have a job title such as Data Analyst, in part or all of the job title, or Business Intelligence Analyst, which is data analysis applied to business operations, or even Junior Data Scientist. But every organization needs people to work with data, so there could be dozens of other job titles that equally apply to the skill set you learn in our program. So any program, technology included, leverages AI, and every professional working in technology will leverage AI from a usage standpoint. That is, to simplify their job where it makes sense. That whether it be generating scripts or generating information for documentation, data analysts do that as well. We may leverage AI to generate scripts used in Python to perform a small set of data analysis or exploratory data analysis, but they go beyond that, especially with large data, and they actually create the AIs that analyze that data. So they will actually create a machine learning model, train that model on specific data, evaluate that machine learning model to make sure it's giving accurate results, tuning it as necessary, and that is an art. And when that model is accurately predicting the current data, then they can use that model to predict future data. So we have 2 capstone projects. One is for a regular data analysis workflow, everything from beginning to end, obtaining the data, cleaning the data, analyzing it, whatnot. And we also have an AI capstone for larger data sets where students train a model and use predictive analytics appropriately. But what makes the capstone flexible is the data set you use. We want students to have fun. Everyone has some data that they love. And there's lots of open source, freely obtainable data that we can get. And so if you come from a healthcare background, you're probably going to analyze an open source healthcare data set. If you come from a financial background, you might analyze a financial data set. And so we leave that open in the capstone because one of the things employers really want to see is your passion for the industry. And there's no better way to see that than by running through a capstone that you're passionate about. And so you'll take a data set that relates more to what you like, and you will analyze that data using the tools and the workflow and the processes we teach you, the analytical processes we teach you.